Vamos a la playa.
This is a ride to the hotel, guys. Look at this, guys.
No, it's fine. Just hold on. I'm gonna go slow anyway. I think my left arm is a little.
Alright, guys, the car is secure. We got our stuff, and now we're going to the island. We're gonna find a speedboat because we don't wanna get the ferry. It's gonna go so slow, so speedboat is better. It sounds like it's 150 per person, so we'll see. Alright, guys, so we decided to go with the ferry. It's only 30 baht per person, and we had to go all the way to the end. And they're leaving at noon, so we barely made it on time. So yeah, it's all the way to the end. I can see it over there on the left side. But anyways, it's just lots of people, guys. Like I said, I'm surprised because it's weekdays, and I guess, you know, people decide are on vacation or something during this time because it's really busy. Right, guys, we just arrived to the pier here, and now we're gonna look for the ride to the hotel, which they sent us a golf cart that's gonna take all the guests to the hotel. All right, this is a ride to the hotel, guys. There's lots of people. I got my lucky hat. Well, I love this hat, guys. So right now we're just gonna check in and look for something to eat because it's lunch time. It's already noon. It took about 26 minutes from the Pattaya pier to get to this pier. So it's not very long drive, you know, on the ferry. So it's really cheap, 30 baht per person. There's a lot of shopping along the way to our hotel, and I think it's not gonna be far from the hotel to here, so we can walk around and then get something to eat. Oh, there's a temple right there. Alright, guys, we just arrived. Thank you. Alright, so we're gonna go and check in. So far looks nice. I like this place. Really nice and clean. Alright, guys, so we just checked in, but we haven't been, we need to wait a little bit to get to the room. They're still cleaning because the owner says, or the person in charge says that they're pretty busy. All the rooms are really occupied, so they have to, you know, do a cleanup, and people are just checking out by 11, you know, a.m. But anyways, this cafe looks, I mean the breakfast area, this is very nice, very clean, guys. So far, you know, I can tell you that this hotel is really nice, even though it's just a small resort. They have a pool, but what I love about this is just really nice and clean, really neat. So I hope the room looks about the same, but we'll see. Also, it's a free to use motorcycle. We got one. I don't know how to use it, but they're all aromatic. I'll watch YouTube videos. Anyways, we got the red one right there. It's really free to use. And then this hotel and this hotel, they're about the same. So both sides, they can go to the same, to the pool. They have a coffee shop right there. All right.
That I have put by side. That when you can see Riviera, you can escapade, yeah.
All right, guys. This is our little room. It's smaller, but it's a good size. It's a king size bed. Anyway, so let's see the bathroom here. Oh wow, the bathroom is bigger than the room, Corazon. It's pretty good size. Yeah, it's all tile. Separate the toilet and the shower. So now we're gonna go get something to eat. Yeah, so far, I mean, the room is good. It's great, and the area is good. It's just, you know, if you walk from the pier to here, yeah, it's kind of like a distance, maybe 10 minutes walking. But like I said, you know, they provide a bicycle. If you know how to ride one, good. If you don't, like myself, just learn. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna learn, guys. I'm just gonna watch some. Yeah, motorcycle. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos. It's automatic, you know. How bad can that be? I'm not sure. I don't think it's that difficult, you know, but we'll see. I mean, I use the electric bike in Penang, Malaysia, so it's automatic motorcycle. Should be fine, guys. All right, we arrived to this restaurant over here, just by the beach, guys. Gonna take a look. We got number 3. Look at this, guys. See, YouTube. Easy.
Ready?
Yeah, we can go. Here, Corazon. All right, guys. I just watched a couple of YouTube videos and figure out how to turn it on, and pretty much it's basically the same as the e-bike that we rent out in Penang. Wow, there's a lot of people. I don't know how I'm gonna feel like riding when there's a lot of people, but anyways, we're just gonna follow some people there. This town is kind of like friendly, motorcycle friendly, so it's pretty cool just riding around here. It's a lot of shopping stores. Kind of like I'm tired already. And so like it's stiff. I'm not really, you know, my muscles are all, I think my left arm is a little bit like I need to rest. It's tired already. But it's really a nice town here to ride around. I think I saw this road in a video, one of those Thai YouTubers. Wow, we passed one, Corazon. We made it, Corazon! My goodness! Watch your YouTube videos, so watch my videos too. So you can dare to do something that you've never done before. Like riding a scooter. Just like I did. Don't forget to subscribe. We are at this beach. I don't remember, what is the name of this beach? I don't know. I had to look it up to let you know what type or where is the name of the beach, because I have no idea. But
but this is the way I like it is because it's the clear water. It's a lot of people right now because where we're staying right now at the hotel is kind of like there's not nice beaches, but the hotel is really nice and really quiet. You know, if you want to stay at a place where it's quiet, there's not a lot of things going on, that hotel is a perfect place. This beach, last time we came, it was full of water. I don't know if it's low tide right now, because the water is all the way down there. Last time we came, all the water was over here. It was really nice to swim, and it seems like, I mean, it's still nice. The water is clear over there. This is how it looks right now at this beach. Walk around here, and then I wanna swim a little bit. I wanna swim under a nice water, but it's a little bit windy. I wanted to fly the drone as well. Probably I will. So let's go over there, Corazon. It's fine, just hold on. I'm gonna go slow anyway. OMG. Oh, okay, it's just right there. No, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, we gotta start somewhere to get something to drink or some thirsty. No, another place. Look at this, guys. Wow. Very nice view over here. You know, guys, we had to, what do you call it, follow the locals in order to come to places like this because we didn't know at all. Wow, this is nice. All right, hello friends. All right guys, so we came to another beach. We went to 4 places already. We flew the drone, now we come to a different beach over here. We pretty much were following the locals on the motorcycle. There's so many people, you know, riding the motorcycle, the scooters, and then we just chase them because they know where to go and we don't. But it's really nice here. Oh wow. Yeah, this is a really nice beach. Look at these trees. So they come for the sunset over here, guys. Wow, this is a really nice beach. I had to find out what beach is this, but it's really nice here. Oh wow. Yeah. I guess people came here to watch the sunset. This is a perfect spot. These are the rentals, paddleboards and kayaks. Alright, let's look for something to drink. Let's see what they have here. Hey guys, we got our coconut. We have fun today. This is our first day here in Koh Larn, but overall today it was really fun and drove the motorcycle for the first time. And yeah, I just turned myself, right, pretty much, because the front desk asked me if I knew how to ride the motorcycle, I mean the scooter.
You just said
And I just said yes.
Tú siempre me das ganas para volar hacia ti. Tú me haces falta cuando te vayas de aquí. Aquí, solitario, bien solito sin ti. Solo, solo, solitario. Pero te encontré en mí, en mí, en mí, en mí. Solitario.
This is the pool for this resort. And it looks nice and clean. Everything really here on this property is really neat and clean. It's away from the main crowd over there by the ferry terminal and all the shops. So it's a really nice area, quiet. If you want a piece of quiet being on this island and you just want to relax, I think this is the perfect spot. Also, not to mention that they provide you with a scooter so you can go around the island, which we did yesterday after we got here, right? So it was a lot of fun, guys. I never ride one of those before. I never even know how to turn around. So like I mentioned, you know, I had to watch a couple videos on YouTube, and then I did it and had so much fun yesterday riding around. We went from one side to the island to the other one, and then to the other side as well. So we had so much fun. It was really, really cool idea to have the scooters for the guests at this resort. So I really recommend this hotel. Guys, I'll put the description the link of the location of this resort, so you guys can stay. Really, the people here are really helpful, so friendly, especially the front desk. I don't know if it is the owner or not, but they're pretty nice people here, guys. They will take you and pick you up from the ferry, so it's really a good deal, and it's not very expensive. It's about $60 and about. You know, you can pay as much whatever you can want to pay, you know, to stay here for a night or two. The facility here is really nice. It's just, I mean, we didn't stay here on the resort, but as you can see here, it's really clean. Everything's nice and clean all around the property here, guys. So I don't have any complaint at all. And then, you know, driving around, all the streets, the narrow streets, are really taken care of, most of them, if not everything. So yeah, guys, so we're gonna end the video here. If you like this type of content, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we're gonna keep creating more for you guys, more videos for you guys to watch, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace, bye bye.